just got done feeding 25 Freedom Rangers, 3 ducks, and a rooster in one place. 25 adult black Marines, Easter eggers, Easter eggers in one place. Then 25 guineas and roosters in another. Then I got 20 silky banties and polacks in another place. I got all them fed and watered. Then I got like 300 little babies in the brooders that just got fed and watered. Then I got on the outside brooders, I got about 110 5-week-olds that are just got food and water. And then on another one I got about 35 babies that are like 6 weeks old in another. They just got fed and watered. That's my life. All this before I had my first cup of coffee. Homestead life, baby. God bless you. Now it's time to drink some coffee, watch a little news, and get back to work. Look how good my dogs love to get up and work with me in the morning.